We're going into the past. Flicker it more. Did you wake up on the wrong side of the motorhome? Are you tired of stubbing your toe on the... Oh God, what could you stub your toe on? That's funny. Toilet. Well, good news is we have life hacks to make your day better. We were gonna try to do more dangerous life hacks, but they all involve mains power. And we got in trouble last time. We've been kicked out of the motorhome, and that's kind of boring, right? If it's just the same thing over and over again, like, oh, let's play with wall power, let's play with wall power, let's play with wall power. I don't know, maybe we'll do another one. But I thought it'd be fun to try and, you know, maybe a little bit more tame, something less dangerous, but just as infuriating. 21 morning hacks to make your day better. Okay, this one's hot gluing a drawer puller to your phone. That's stupid. They have, don't they sell it? Pop cap. Oh God, where's the hot glue gun? It smells very burnt in here. We've been trying to film a video for like 2 days now, but what happens is we just get too deep into life hack videos and William just rages. All of them are so bad. None of them are actually hacks. Oh, we have a Nerf gun too that we can play with. The people who make them are hacks. The internet, they consume it, and so they keep making it. Do you know how many views these things get? It's maddening. We try hard. Do we try hard making videos? I don't know if we try hard, but we spend a lot of time making videos. 50 million views. That is just 20 minutes of recompiled clips, like same clips but different orders, and then with some new clips. Oh, that kind of hurts actually. Hi Mom.
Hey William.
What's up?
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. We're making a video, I guess. My mom's trying to convince us to move to Santa Paula. Oh dude, this is such a good idea. Because houses in Ventura are like expensive and there's none available and there's like nothing available to rent.
No, anything that you're gonna be... Oh! Shoot.
That's amazing!
That's awful.
Hear the little rocks go everywhere? No, I gotta go clean that up.
It wouldn't be much different than here.
It's just like far away from here and then Cameron and John has to drive. You're just trying to get rid of us?
No, not necessarily. I love having you here, but, you know, this...
Can I live at your house, John? No. Well, we can move the motorhome to like a Walmart parking lot.
No, it's not you, honey. It is the motorhome.
You want the motorhome back?
Well, maybe at least for a little bit.
Okay.
No, but then you guys...
They kicked me out of their mouth. What is this video about? Now we're going on an adventure to find a house. Yeah, the problem is you can't show people the house they're gonna live in or they show up to your door. Or they call your phone number. We can't. Did it tell you? You cut it. We're back. For this life hack, you're gonna need your phone and you're gonna need a doorknob. A drawer knob. Gee, that's really on there. Yeah. Wow, it's a really long screw. Oh no, nope. And then your hot glue gun is supposed to be piping hot. Thank you, internet. Wow, that's amazing. They didn't show you cleaning it with anything. Let's go to the next one while this is cooling. I actually think life hacks might be dangerous. Ironing your clothes with a spritz bottle and a hairdryer. Why does it make your day better? Oh, you got food on a plate with saran wrap. We could try that. Should we try that? Is that one interesting? What are we doing? People want us to build something and here we are just replicating life hacks. Oh, this is dry. Yeah, Gary, where's my money? Oh, I owe you money. That's not what I thought was gonna happen. It just fits right in there. It's easy handle for pickpockets. you see something that you know you could do and they present it in a way that it feels useful. So maybe you have some sort of sense of accomplishment having watched the ones that look useful. Do people think any of these are useful? Because they're all garbage, all of them. I think we've seen a couple that were actually like maybe good tips. Everything else was just garbage. We're gonna replicate this exactly. This is kind of sad. That's how you make oatmeal. You put it in the bowl and then you pour the water. Where else am I supposed to put it? Tell me how I'm supposed to make this oatmeal that doesn't involve pulling out another piece of cookware. In the pouch? I think a better trick is just to eat the oatmeal out of the same cup every single day and don't wash it. Sort of like you get seasoned, like it's the flavors. You can put this in your pocket. Is it leaking? It is! Look, we gotta clean the plate anyways. Okay, well, good thing that we've invented a new life. You see it? It's all over my hands and the plate. Just bite a hole in the plastic. This one? Cameron John never refuses snacks. That sort of felt like I was sucking the life force out of a small animal. At what point is it not a life hack? I'm starting to think the word life hack means nothing to these people, or they just don't understand it. Actually, I know what it is. It's that they don't care. Because when you have to leave your house to go to the hardware store, it's no longer a hack. This is a craft project. I also think too, we should take everything we've learned from life hacks and surprise Chelsea. Good luck. Where's the cheapest, dirtiest wood we can get our hands on? They use like nice wood. We're not gonna use nice wood. I think we could have gone to the store and bought a better tray for less money. It's got this cool wood texture. You don't get that with just normal wood. Look at all the lines go in one direction, but here you get everything going in all the directions. Drilling, sawing, sanding, or machining wood products generates dust, a substance known in the state of California to cause cancer. It's kind of right in the middle. Oh yeah, we need something to cut this, and since we've apparently been banned from using the table saw, thanks viewers, we found something else. One second. Sawzall! While that's drying, let's do some more life hacks. This one's called How to Get Rid of a Double Chin. And that is something I've struggled with my whole life. Pat with a towel? This is not real. This is not real. Okay, like, this is something I don't understand. Engineers, scientists, big corporations spend years researching and developing medical stuff, like toothpaste. What goes in toothpaste? What's the best stuff for toothpaste? How, like they're just pulling the stuff out of their butts. They're reaching deep into their butts and pulling this information out, and it's crappy information because it came out of their butts. Look at that smile though. She looks like a pirate. This is why people die of diseases that can be cured or vaccinated against. Here's a gum commercial. This is, oh, Coca-Cola. Was this chew gum and then drink Coke? It makes your teeth white. Mind blown. This is almost malicious. Like, am I crazy to think that people taking this advice seriously could actually cause more harm? Look, and then the thumbnails. Hot glue on a toothbrush, and then you're like, what could hot glue on a toothbrush be? I want to click on this. Like, the psychology of these videos, I think, is the thumbnail is so insane that you have to click on it, and then They're such short duration, like kind of high, I don't want to say high energy, but it's very, very quick of, wow, what are they going to do with strawberry and toothpaste? And so you watch to the end of the 5-10 seconds and you're like, that's stupid. But then the next one starts and you're so dumb, myself included, like that you see the next one. And this one is bananas and teeth. What are they possibly going to do with the banana peels and the teeth? Or the activated charcoal? Or the... Can we like make a petition for YouTube to ban this channel? Is it, like, I feel mean saying that, but like, is it harmless? Like, should they be able to post this stuff? I don't know. Oh! What a wild ride. So I think it's time we bring this video to a close. It's spanned across quite the time and space. Let's thank Caretaker for her continued work caretaking. We've made a variety of life hacks that we would like you to enjoy.
This looks really dirty. There's spider webs. What did you make this out of?
Wood.
Where did you find it?
The store.
Did you zip tie it together?
Yeah.
Am I supposed to eat that?
Uh-huh. To clean the dish, all you have to do is remove this saran wrap. Here, like this. Oops.
Does this come off my phone? Wait.
Why would you take it off your phone? Well, and there you have it, folks. Life hacks will make every part of your day better. Always, every time.
How do we get this off?
What do I do with this?
Trash. William!
Wow, that's really on there. Oh, leave a comment and you can have this tray. I will literally throw a stamp on it. Yeah, we should do that. This thing definitely, the post system will send it. Why not? It's a piece of wood.
What are you guys doing?
That's inappropriate.
We're making life hacks.
Don't use that language.
Life hacks. These are, John, there's a spoon right there.
Yeah. I'm out.
Perfect, all right. Michael. Oh God. Oh God, it's on the ground. It's all over the ground. Do life hacks make things worse? Who's gonna clean this? You wanna make $5? Hey guys, if you want to support the channel, go over to Patreon and you can help fund us in our quest to find more plutonium so we can get this bad boy up and running and we can go back to the beginning of the channel when the videos used to be good. That's really sad when you say it out loud.
Yeah.
If anyone ever had a thought that we knew what we were doing, thank you. The answer is no, we have no idea what we're doing. But it somehow always works. Oh, there it is. Let's go slap this bad boy in Premiere and see what kind of diarrhea we made today.